Hello darlings and welcome back to my channel. So I am back with an empties video. So it's been quite a while since I've done one, so I've collected some goods here. Alright, so let's start off with like the two biggest items right here. So they are their CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion. So I absolutely love using this, especially like after showering. You could also use this on your face, but for me personally, I like to use it on my body. And if you have like a Costco or like a Sam's Club membership, like this is like the best place to purchase this, because sometimes it also goes on sale there, and I mean it's such a deal. So also if you don't have a Sam's Club or Costco membership, I would suggest going to Target, especially if you have like the Target Red Card. You save like an extra 5%, or sometimes they'll do promotions on like these like beauty products where you spend like a certain amount and then you get back like a specific amount of gift card. So I absolutely love this moisturizing lotion. It's very hydrating. It sticks to the skin really fast, very well. It just like locks you in for like the whole entire day. Okay, next we have these three products from Trader Joe's. Okay, so the first one we have here, this is the Body Butter. This is fragrance free, and I have to say, I feel like this product is okay. It does absorb into the skin really well, very fast, very hydrating. But for personal preference, I just feel like it's just all right. Next we have, this is the Cancy Oil Body Butter. So this one is definitely a dupe for like the Sol de Janeiro one. And I have to say, I really enjoy like the packaging of this, especially like you just open it like this and just scoop it out. It's very easy, very convenient. But for me, I don't really enjoy it that much, because once when I apply it onto like my skin, it leaves like this like layer of like film, like this oil, that I definitely do not like at all. And it does take some time to sink in, but for scent wise, I definitely really enjoy the scent. Next we have, this is their Guava Ultra Moisturizing Hand Cream, and I absolutely love this. So if you're a huge fan of guava, it smells amazing, very sweet, very like fruity. I know some people don't really like the scent of it, but for me, I personally really love it. I love how moisturizing it is, but I have to say, I do not like the packaging of this. Like the packaging is like aluminum, and it just drives me crazy so much, especially when you like reach like the ends of the product and you try to like squeeze it out. Sometimes you get like these like ridges or like these bumps in here, and there's like product stuck inside. It just drives me so crazy. But this is a really good product, especially like for like the hands. Next we have, this is from Paula's Choice. This is their 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, absolutely one of my favorites. So typically I use this after I wash my face. So I take like a cotton pad or like a cotton puff, I'll pour some product on, and then I'll just like go all over my whole entire face, and then I'll apply on serum, moisturizer, and so forth. And this definitely really does help with like shrinking like the pores, especially around like the cheek area, or sometimes you feel like you just need like a little extra exfoliant. This will do the job. I understand this is more on the pricier side, so usually when I purchase this is during like the Sephora sale, during like the 20% off, or sometimes at Ulta they will have a sale too. This is like the best time to like stock up on this. Okay, next we have, this is from The Body Shop. This is the Strawberry Hand Cream. So it's for normal skin, 48 hydration. I almost said something else there. So I absolutely love the scent. You know, I'm a huge fan of the strawberries, but I have to say, I feel like this hand cream is just all right comparing to like other hand creams I have tried and used. I feel like it's just okay. Like it does like sink into the skin. It does take some time. It does make your skin nice and smooth. But for personal preference, I do enjoy the L'Occitane hand cream more than this. Next we have, this is a set of brushes. They're all from Real Techniques, and I've had these brushes for, I want to say, over 10 years. Yes, I know it's been so long since I've had them, and then I don't even wear makeup anymore, So I feel like these brushes, I need to like let them go, because especially like on like the bottom right here, it's getting very sticky, very icky. Even if I wash it with water and soap, it leaves like that layer of like stickiness. This is when you know like your brushes have to go. Like I have like, there's so many brushes with like foundation, for like lip, eyeshadow and stuff that just, I really don't want to let them go, but I have to let them go. All right, next we have, this is from Skin Fix. This is the triple lip plus collagen activating serum, and I absolutely love this stuff. This is amazing. The packaging, I have to say, I don't really like the packaging that much, especially when you use it down to like the very last bit, very end of it. This is just what it is, and the product is in here. Sometimes I have a really hard time like pumping out the product, so I would have to go in and use like a Q-tip to like scoop everything out. And then I mean, the packaging is just, it's different, but I'm just like, oh, okay, do we really need this as a packaging? But overall, this is a really good product to try and use, especially if you have sensitive skin and combination skin like how I have. So you just need a very little bit. It does go onto your skin, very smooth, very hydrating, very moisturizing. Absolutely love this product. But I do have to say, it is a little bit more on the pricier side, but I firmly believe investing in your skin is very important, especially as you get older. Okay, next we have, this is from Glow Recipe. This is their avocado ceramide recovery serum, and I absolutely love the packaging of this. Like, this is like glass packaging, and because I have redness like all over like my cheek area, even though it might not seem like, you know, you see my redness, but I do have it on here, and this has definitely helped me so much. And I mean like so much, to the point where like my redness has reduced so much. So I usually use this only like at night, because this is more on the pricier slash high-end expensive side. So I just use one pump for the whole entire face, and it works really well, very hydrating and very moisturizing. It absorbs into skin like really well too. So definitely recommend giving this a try, especially if you have like redness like how I do. All right, next we have, this is from Dior. This is their Dior Prestige Advanced Serum, and I got this as a sample size. And the problem with the packaging is that there's still some product left in here, as you guys can see and tell. I have a very hard time just like pumping it. Like, it just won't come out, and it's really annoying. And I tried to like open this, but I just can't get down to like the bottom of this. Good thing that this was like a sample with purchase, or else I would have been really upset. This is a really good serum, but it's literally too expensive, too pricey for me. Like, I can't afford this. So next we have, this is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their brow freeze gel, and I have to say, at first when I saw this product, I thought that I was going to like it, but I turned out to hate this product so much. Okay, first of all, like, you know, it's a gel, okay? So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to like fill in your eyebrows first, and then take this and then apply it to your eyebrows. It felt really sticky and very wet. I did not enjoy this product at all. And then when I try to like go and wash it off, it took me so long to remove it that I was just like, I cannot deal with this product. Just having that icky, sticky feeling in your eyebrows, it's not for me. I know some people really like it, but I cannot deal with it. Okay, finally, last but not least, we have this. This is Lumified eye drops, and I absolutely love this product, especially like if you're constantly staring at like the computer screen, or like you're probably being like your phone screen, right? Your eyes get like really red. Sometimes like it gets so dry and it hurts. This right here, one drop will last you 8 hours. Yes, your eyes won't be red anymore. Like, your eyes will be so nice and clear. I highly recommend giving this a try, but I would say it is more on the pricier, expensive side. So if you do have like a Costco or like a Sam's Club membership, definitely pick it up from there, because definitely can save some money on there. Or at Target, sometimes Target, they'll have a promotion where they give you coupons in like the Target app. So definitely recommend if your eyes are always constantly red. So that's actually all the stuff that I have for this Empties video. So if any of you guys have any Empty products, feel free to share with me. I would love to hear about them. So yeah, well, that is it for today's video, and I shall catch you guys later. Bye.